Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nailer, and in today's video I am going to be trying the new Beetles Blooming Gel Polish, which for those of you that saw my PR video, you know I was the absolute most excited about. I have been very impatiently anticipating this, so let's get into the video. As per usual, I'm beginning by prepping my nails, which I am doing by buffing each nail, and then I'm going to wipe them down with alcohol, but you could use any nail dehydrator. And the next step is applying a gel base coat. And now I'm using white as my base color. Now I'm just going to go in with a second coat. And here I am just curing that gel polish. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, the blooming gel. Now following the instructions on the box for the blooming gel, I'm just applying a very thin coat of the blooming gel polish, and then I'm making sure that I do not cure it. The whole point is leaving the polish wet. Then I'm taking a blue gel polish and a dotting tool, and as you can see, I'm very delicately putting the dots on each part of my nail, and I'm also making sure that I don't touch my nail with the dotting tool, which I made the mistake of doing quite a few times. I actually redid at least 3 of my nails on both hands because a couple of the dots I did touch my nail, and when you do that it won't like not work, but it will add like a little mark that I just didn't like in the design, so I wiped off a couple nails and I redid them. Also, if you are wondering what I was going for with this design exactly, I saw somebody do a pool water nail design, which looked kind of similar to what I ended up doing, but the dots were different sizes on that person's nails, so mine kind of ended up looking more like a turtle shell, which I'm not going to call these because they're blue, but I think I'm going to be doing a turtle shell nail design in the future, so that'll be something you guys can totally look forward to. But I am calling these Deep Sea Veil, which you can thank ChatGPT for that name because I honestly did not know what to call these. I really liked the look of the design, but I was really unsure what I should call them, so yep, ChatGPT helped me out with that. And just a quick tip, make sure you cure the nails the second they look the way you want them to because the dots will not stop spreading until they are cured. And now to seal that all in, I'm using Beetle's new glossy, long-lasting top coat, which they also sent me in their PR box. And as you can tell, they definitely made my nails look incredibly shiny. Here I am just curing those, and then you will be able to see. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below if you guys do want to see that turtle shell nail design. Thanks. Bye.